It just gets better for Claude users because now you can connect the new Higgsfield MCP directly to Claude. As someone that uses Higgsfield, this is a really big deal. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect the MCP, and then I'll demo 2 custom Claude skills I've built on top of it and how you can access them for free if you want to use them. The first skill ships UGC ads, and the other takes a URL or your brand assets and drops a full 14 asset media kit into your folder right on your desktop. So let's hook this MCP up and get started. All right, we're going to be using the Claude Code desktop. So if you don't have it, just Google Claude Code for desktop, and then you'll get to this page and you want to download it either for Windows or Mac. Once you've installed Claude Code for desktop, what you want to do is hit this plus button. Then we want to go to Connectors, Manage Connectors. Now there's another plus button up here. We want to click it and we're going to go for Add a Custom Connector. What you want to add is this URL here, and we'll just call it Higgsfield. There are some advanced settings, but we're not going to need to touch them today. So we can just click Add. Then you'll be redirected to Higgsfield. So you can see here, Claude wants to access Higgsfield AI on your behalf. And if you're happy with all that, you can just press Allow. So now I've connected the Higgsfield MCP to Claude Code. We can go back to Claude Code and verify that. And the way we do that, super easy. Just hit the plus button again, click on Connectors, and you can see that Higgsfield is connected. Now, jumping back over into Higgsfield's website, if you're not familiar with it, it's like an all-in-one platform for AI video plus a whole bunch more. And it's also worth pointing out that it is the only platform with agentic access to ChatGPT Image 2.0 and Cdance 2.0. If you want to check out the full list of tools, just head up here, say to Image, and you got this full listing of all the image AI creative tools. Same again with video. Plus, you've also got this marketing studio that allows you to generate these UGC videos and ads, all with AI. And the magic of the MCP connector is we can now do this all in natural language, all within Claude Code. All right, so first I'm going to show you guys an example of how we can generate a brand essence and design system for a new product. We're going to be using a drink bottle, and I've got an automation combined with a skill that's going to generate these products for us, our avatar, and our full design system that we can use for the automation between Claude Code and Higgsfield to generate all of our content. All right, so you just want to jump over into Claude Cowork and use the / command. And you can see I've got this skill here, brand launch pack. So we're just going to select it and just hit enter. All right, now we'll be asked a series of questions. So the first one is about the product or the category that this new brand is going to sell into. So I'll go with reusable drinkware. The next one is whether we know a name or you want to get the AI to come up with a few names for you. I'm going to actually go with Fred Green here. Now, how close should this new brand sit to other reference brands in the marketplace? I'm going to go with contrast. Now it's going to go away and do this research and come back to us to narrow down our new brand. Now, no surprise here, it's come back and said, should this new brand be modeled against Frank Green or Stanley or Yeti? I'm going to go with Frank Green. Next, it's asking us about the persona or the avatar. I'll just go a 28-year-old from Sydney. Now for our brand essence and design pack, I want 3 products and 3 personas recommended. So let's go with that. Now, this process can take 3 to 5 minutes and it'll return that avatar for us, our brand essence and our design guidelines, everything we need to move on to the next step, which is generating all of our content with Higgsfield through natural language. So we're just about finished. All jobs are queued. These will render out in a moment and we can take a look at them. And so the output is our product images, our avatar, and our brand essence and design system. And if we open up the PDF, you can see it is super detailed. We've got the visual identity, the brand voice, the design system in terms of all the colors, the typography, the materials, the finish, about the products. We have the product strategy, and it's got everything we need to then be able to generate all of our content aligned with our brand. So now we're literally going to copy these assets, these PNG and the docx file, and drop them into Claude Code to generate our go-to-market content package. And to raise the stakes a bit more, we're actually going to use all the content we generate to actually rebrand this clone Shopify store. Alrighty, so back over in Claude Desktop, we're in Claude Code now. We just used the / command, and I have built a skill to build this brand go-to-market pack. It's just go-to-market GTM, and there it is there. So let's run it. Now, the very first question that this asks is, do you want to do this via a URL, or do you want to actually provide the brand assets? So I'm going to provide the brand assets because we've already built that. Next, it's going to ask about the scope. So do we want just a small sample pack just to check it's coming out right, or do we want the full? We'll go the full. Now, it's recognized that we are going to provide these assets. So I need to drop them in here, and it's going to run with it. All right, so I've just dragged and dropped those in here. Now we can hit go and see what happens. Now, again, this can take 2 to 5 minutes for it to run through, so we'll just come back when it's finished. All right, so these are some of the images that Claude has returned back using that skill and the Higgsfield MCP integration, and it's super impressive. We have something that could be used for a carousel, so on Instagram here. We have the other images that we can put onto our website. We have the different resolutions, so this would be good for a hero image. We have the one-to-ones. It also generated some videos, which we can take a look at as well. All right, so that's pretty cool to be able to generate all of that from one skill and one MCP integration. Now, what I'm going to do is take all this content and drop it over into Claude Code to update my website to align with my new brand essence and design system. And then we can take a look at really the full power of using this tool. So I've just opened up VS Code, and this has got the code base for my cloned Shopify store for my drink bottle shop. And what I've done is dropped all the assets we've generated into this assets folder, just in the same code base. And now with Claude Code, I've just added this prompt here, update my website to use the brand essence and design system guidelines and assets provided in the assets folder. So when we run this, Claude is going to look at first the Word document that outlines all of our brand details and the assets and lay them out and redo the entire site. And we'll come back a little bit later and check out what it looks like. All right, so if you're actually using Higgsfield through their web interface, you would see that they got this new thing called a marketing studio. Now this is super cool, but the best bit is the MCP actually works with the marketing studio. So we can generate user-generated content all within Claude Code and then use it however we like. Now, if you look at these sample UGC pieces of content, you can see they're categorized. So you've got UGC, you've got unboxing, you've got a tutorial. What we can do is create a skill within Claude Code, and it can allow you to select which category of UGC, use some of these avatars, and generate everything within Claude Code. All right, so let's generate some UGC. I'm in Claude Code, I've got this skill, so as usual, / command, and I'll type in M for marketing, and there it is here, Marketing Studio. And it says, basically, you're ready to make a one-shot UGC video, drop the product images, and we will do this for you. So all I need to do is drop my images from our brand package earlier in the video and watch it go. So I've just dropped in the 3 images and our brand essence guideline, just so it has a reference of what we're all about. And now I can hit enter. All right, so that's finished. I've actually run this a few times now, so I can show you the 4 videos that it came up with. 2, I sort of stuffed them up and had to redo, but I think the final 2 were pretty good. So let's take a look.
Reformer to barista shift to ocean swim. This comes with me through all of it. Third thing in the Pilates bag. I've been using this Fred Green every day lately, and I didn't expect to like it this much. My drinks stay cold literally all day, which is kind of crazy. It doesn't leak, it fits in my car, and the handle is actually super comfortable. I've been using this Fred Green every day, and I didn't expect to like it this much. The matte finish doesn't show fingerprints, the band stops it slipping, and the weight feels right in the hand. I take it with me everywhere now. 3 months in. First impression, yeah, the cork is the thing. It actually feels considered. One critique, the loop's a bit small for a carabiner, so it's a bag loop, not a clip, but it goes everywhere. Would buy it again.
All right, so that's pretty cool. If you want to get your hands on the skill or learn how to generate the skills where you can work with tools like Higgsfield, just head over to my school. This is the free school, and the skills I used in this video and how to access them will be made available here. Now, just circling back to the task we gave Claude a bit earlier, which is to update this boring clone Shopify store with our new brand essence and design, we can take a look. So this is the before. Pretty boring. And just by providing that content and the brand essence, this is what it looks like now. So fully aligned with our brand, our colors, our typography. That was the hero image that Higgsfield generated for us. There are product images that Higgsfield generated. We also have the video that's running in a loop in this video section here. When you combine Claude with Higgsfield, you can do amazing stuff that you never would have thought was possible only a year or two ago.